See that delivered? That was his boots. I scanned it delivered.
Oh, yeah.
What, Papa? Yeah. Oh, Daddy, what are you doing?
He's skiing with a scooter and plungers. It's so cute.
That's a pretty good training, actually. Huh?
It really is.
It's a lot of work, too. Never mind, he's got to know when to pull.
Okay, you got to go to the crack in the floor. Okay? Pull yourself to the crack. Keep pulling. There you go. That was a good one. Almost there. Crisscross applesauce, no using your feet. Yeah, just lay it over and it'll pop off. Good pull. Big pull. Just lay it over. Oh, he turned nice.
Mm-hmm.
It's hard to tell with him.
I don't know, that's a lot of heavy work, too. Or you gotta do that some more. Alright.
I'm not gonna do that. Okay, let me see, Papa. Whoa. Look at that. I bet if we gave him a plunger, he'd play with it in the kitchen.
Oh, God.
Ooh, don't you think?
Yeah.
I wonder where you get those.
I don't know. Maybe they make small plungers for small toilets.
I don't think that's made for a toilet. That's made for
Something else.
therapy.
Oh.
Yeah, it's not a real plunger, honey. It's real thin. I think it's made just for that, for therapeutic use, probably. The other thing is, too, why would it have pads on it?
Mm. I thought maybe they didn't bottom with one.
I'm watching, Papa.
Okay, when you get the ball, listen, are you listening? Okay, when you get the ball, you gotta toss it into the bucket. Okay? Okay? Toss it. Good. Ooh, hurry, get it. Coming back around. It's coming back around. See if you can get it. Up on your arms. Oh, almost had it. Make sure the grabber's open. Make sure it's open. Okay, here. I'm gonna rest for a minute. Get this one. Okay, pick one and go for it. Instead of trying for all of them. Pick the one you want and go for it.
He makes me laugh, Eddie.
Wait. Ooh, slow.
He's so much like his mommy. Rather than-
Nice.
Yeah.
Now, oh, you let go. You let go of it. I can. Okay, you gotta keep your eyes on it. Gotta keep your eyes on it, Ken. Eyes. Oh. When you get it, you gotta squeeze. Put up on your arms, down on your tummy. There you go. Now, go for it. Move forward a little bit. Almost had it. Yes. Now don't let go of it. You gotta get in the bucket. Oh, get in the bucket. You almost had it. Nice.
You did it!
I'm gonna push you over. Sit down. See if you can get one
Oh, I
of those.
forgot to tell you.
Yeah.
Buffalo Springs Lake is having a garage sale
Really?
tomorrow from like 7 to 10.
It's tomorrow night?
No, tomorrow morning.
Oh, tomorrow morning. Okay.
Which I know it doesn't work out for us, but I didn't know a whole town could have a.
Well, I'm off tomorrow, remember?
Yeah.
Almost had it.
But we got an appointment
Okay, it's coming to you now.
right in the middle of it
Oh,
at 8:45.
Right.
Color time.
Grab it. Get up on your arm.
Serious?
So you can
Do
stretch
you want
out
to be in the
more.
video? Because I can't edit. Be good.
You almost had it. Can you fix yourself on the swing? You're kind of crooked. That doesn't help you stretch out real good. No.
You know I'm just pissing you off.
Straighten up on the swing.
That's what I love about you.